knobless. As you can see, the oven doesn't have a knob because it came off and it fell in the bin, and then the bin got taken away, so now there's no knob. However, we have a cunning plan. I've met this lovely chap from Fidget Out and About called Paul, and this is what we're going to do. Let me show you. This is Paul from Fidget Out and About on Instagram. It's his idea. Tell the lovely people what you come up with.
It's not technically my idea, I've seen it on YouTube, but what we're going to try and do, because he's knobless, he's probably told you that. So this, we're going to use this, which is a bottle top off of a 5-litre container. See that? And then all these are the plastic bottles that we've been drinking water from, so they're the tops off of those. We're going to melt those in this, in that. Fingers crossed that it won't get too hot and run all over and
No, it's going in there.
muck up your oven.
So what,
go in there.
what's
and then,
in that? That's greaseproof
Greaseproof paper.
paper. Yep.
Standard greaseproof paper from Asda.
so it goes in there.
Other supermarkets
supermarkets
are
are
available.
So I said you chuck them in there.
Yeah.
In there, then.
And then the theory is when it gets nice and molten, we'll stir it around a bit so it mixes all the colours up.
So that, oh, you've got to, it's got to be,
And that's got to be
Preheated.
preheated.
that goes to 180 anyway, so we'll leave that for 10 minutes.
Cracking. Come back to us in 10 minutes.
Come back to 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
10 minutes later, we've had a coffee. The Ramoska is up to temperature. We're now going to put this in. Ready? Here we go.
Smoking.
Without touching the sides.
Hold on a second. You're going to have to tuck that greaseproof paper in, because
Why?
otherwise it'll burn, darling. Because the heat is all in the lid.
Always tuck yourself in. What? No, that's the wrong one. So if we say 5 to 10 minutes
Okay.
All right.
from now.
What could
Right.
possibly go wrong?
Hit the stopwatch.
So is the time up then, boys?
Been going 10
Yeah,
minutes
10
now.
minutes.
All right.
now.
Let's have a look. What's
It's the big reveal.
ta-da? Oh,
Okay, a bit longer.
Bit longer.
Let's have a little stir. See if there's
with a bamboo
yeah,
stick.
getting there, look.
Oh yeah,
Oh, ages yet.
that needs another.
Another 20 minutes, I would think.
Yeah,
Don't
easily.
you?
A little touch of paprika, I think. Sweet.
All right, come back later. It's the reveal.
Right, let's have a look.
Oh, it looks pretty.
It smells nice.
Oh, it's not quite.
It's not quite getting hot
It's
enough
getting there, though, isn't it?
in the
Yeah.
Ramoska. It's not too far off, but I think we need a bit more heat.
It's been going for how long, boys?
Should have
A week.
Should only be 10 minutes, but it's been going about an hour, so it's not getting hot enough.
Right. And the Ramoska only goes up to 180. So what's your plan now then?
Well, we're going to go over there. Well, we're going to bring that over here. We'll bring the flamethrower over, pump it
Okay.
up, give it some welly,
Yeah.
and see what happens.
Okay. So we've resorted to what, boys?
Well, this is a Coleman petrol stove
Okay.
that you have to pump up.
Circa 1842.
In perfect working order. No, you meant the stove.
But still how rude.
So I reckon a bit of heat on there. We'll give it a bit. So there's some on there. It's only be a matter of minutes. There we go. Yeah, man.
Oh, what's going on?
Well, it's doing. Let's try to turn it down a bit.
Woo! Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Uh-oh.
That's not going to work now, then, is
I'll
it?
turn it off.
Can you take it off?
Yeah.
Just put this in this. Oh dear.
Right, okay.
So that was the paper, shouldn't have gone in there, should it? Actually, if I'd have thought about it, because the paper's going to...
Well,
Ooh.
I think because there's still, that's just the final cooking.
Should we put some water on it?
No, because we don't want to cool it down, do we? We want to let it.
That's
do
fine.
its thing.
It's all good. Kids, don't try this
No,
at
definitely
home.
Don't try this at home.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good enough to eat. Where's your prodder?
Where's the pepper?
Yeah, that's it. It's
Right, so it's
we
worked.
need to get that out though. of that,
How
don't
we're
we?
gonna, can we,
Right,
Metal
so
spatula.
hold
Yeah,
on a
go
minute.
oh no, your spatula.
Oh, that's hot as well, isn't it?
Wowzers.
What, the spatula?
Not now.
Is that gonna,
We're busy.
is that gonna,
What we could
Melt
probably
the
do
knob.
then is another little, like a little bit of cold water or something, just to,
Cold water, babe?
Cold water, babe.
just to,
once it's all in there? Is that all of it? There's more, isn't
no,
there?
it's a bit on the floor, but that's all right.
There's more in here.
Yeah, well, we better get that out in a
Okay.
minute.
So after our little incident, tell
Yeah.
us what you've done, Paul.
Well, I filled a plastic container knob full of molten plastic, and I know at the moment it looks messy, but by the time I've used this and a file,
Okay.
I shall have some form of knob prepared for you.
Excellent. Look at that.
And 3 fingers.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, don't get too closely, but it's going to look lovely on the back, but you won't see that, but
Okay.
okay.
So advice for people at home.
I would definitely not do this. I would personally go to
Buy a
the
knob.
nearest oven supplier and buy a new knob.
Yes,
But what else do you do in the
We're
middle of the
having
desert?
fun.
exactly. So I think the thing that caused the problem was the greaseproof paper catching fire
Yeah.
to the flame.
Have you going to have one of Miles here?
Yeah, well, we're trying to recover
in the
the
pan?
pan, which should be easily done.
Oh,
yeah, it's
that's
coming
fine,
off.
That's coming up a
Pan
tree.
will come back.
Yeah, not a problem.
This is DIY on the road.
Yes,
There's no knob shop round here.
no knob shop. And don't forget, you know, this is all about trying to fix things temporarily.
On the road.
Yeah.
It won't be
No, this is going to be a permanent fix.
Oh, is it?
Once this is stuck on your oven, it ain't coming off.
Oh, right, okay.
But you'll always remember us.
Is that really a good idea then? Because we will need a proper knob at some point.
Yeah, I'll come off.
I'm not answering that. And it's basically a little cap filled with molten plastic.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.
And
Yeah.
then we're going to put the thing in there, the
Thing.
soldering iron,
Oh yeah.
and then hopefully melt it and then stick it onto that little spindle on your cooker there.
I've done there. Okay.
It's actually, it is plugged in, isn't it?
Mhm.
This might take some time, so.
So what are you doing here?
Just put a bit of super glue in here.
Yeah.
That'll be about
And we'll just let that set. So we don't touch it now for about an hour.
Okay.